Hello, I'm Nick Pullen, and today we're going to be taking a closer look at a VSM Vickers machine gun with a fluted barrel jacket. Originally referred to as the Vickers Maxim, this gun was adopted by Great Britain in 1912. It remained the principal machine gun through World War I and World War II until being replaced by the L7A1 general purpose machine gun in the 1960s. They were at one time available with two different water jackets, the most common smooth-sided Maxim type and a corrugated style. This example is of the latter design. They are both available in ground gun and in aircraft gun variants. All exposed steel surfaces are finished in a nice matching dark black. The dark hardwood spade grips have steel oil caps that include concealed oil brushes. The Vickers is equipped with iron sights which consist of a protective bladed front sight forward of the water jacket and an elevation adjustable rear peep sight that is marked in meters from 0 to 2600 with a flip up battle sight for close range combat. Several parts with numbers matching the side plates include the barrel jacket and lower front trunnion. Multiple parts are stamped with the VSM marking. The condition of this Vickers machine gun rates very fine with smooth mechanics and a nice bore. If you like this video and want to learn more about interesting machine guns, then visit our website at pullenauctions.com. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe, stay safe, and send it downrange.